Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create AI music in MusicCreator AI, which is a complete AI music creation suite. So I'm logged into my MusicCreator AI account, and you'll find the link in the description section. Click on Dashboard at the top, and here you'll see several features in the left side panel, and I'll be creating separate tutorials to cover these. I'll click on AI Music Generator, and you can create AI music using a prompt or with your own lyrics. Or you can also generate lyrics using AI, and I've created a separate tutorial on how to create lyrics using this app. If you have your own lyrics, you can enter them here. But in this case, I'm going to go with the prompt section. You can use this toggle button to create instrumental music. And here is where you would enter your prompt. This is what the structure of the prompt should look like, along with an example, which is what I'm going to use. So let me go back and I'll paste my prompt here. You can also choose a specific genre, the mood, you can choose the instruments, the ambience, and the vocal gender. And then click on Generate Music. It will then start generating the music based on the prompt and settings. Depending on these settings, it can take a few minutes, so you'll have to be patient as it does its thing. It will generate two versions, as you can see. You can then use these buttons to edit and remix, to download it as an MP3 or WAV audio, as well as view the lyrics. You can use this play button to play the song. Using the song, I created a music video, and you can check the link at the end of this tutorial. If you'd like to get MusicCreator AI for a discounted price, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this short tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.